Why wear glasses? We all can think of many good reasons to wear glasses. Some of us wear them almost all the time. But I've noticed recently that some people fail to wear glasses when they need to protect their eyes. I've heard many excuses, but none stand up to close scrutiny. Some of the most common excuses I've heard for not wearing glasses at work are: they interfere with my vision. They are uncomfortable. They make me look ridiculous. I always forget to wear them. Let's see if any of these excuses make sense. 1. Glasses interfere with my vision. There's some truth to this, I think. But remember, it's easier to see through glass than through a black patch. Many who complain that they can't see well because of their glasses should try cleaning them more often. Because it's clear that dirty, dusty, or foggy glasses reduce your vision. What about foggy glasses? That's another common complaint. Well, that's true, but you can easily solve this problem. Wash the inside of the lenses with soapy water or use anti-fog preparations. And in hot weather, or if you sweat a lot, use your handkerchief as a sweatband to keep the sweat off your glasses. It does take some effort to keep your glasses clean. But this effort is no excuse to go without glasses, and possibly lose an eye. 2. Glasses are uncomfortable. This is also true, especially if they don't fit well. Take a little time to adjust them, and you'll barely notice you're wearing them. As for me, I'd rather wear a piece of glass in front of my eyes than a glass eye. Ask anyone with one, and they'll tell you which is more uncomfortable. And if the discomfort of the glasses bothers you, think about the pain of a splinter or what could happen with a splash of corrosive acid. 3. Glasses make me look ridiculous. I'll admit this. Glasses can make you look ridiculous. That's why I don't wear mine when I'm dancing. But I do wear them here when I'm more interested in being able to see clearly than looking good. And here's something else. Have you ever heard of someone looking better with a glass eye? 4. I forget to wear my glasses. This is the most logical excuse for failing to protect your eyes. We can't deny that we're all forgetful sometimes. But that time you leave your glasses on your forehead, in your pocket, or on your workbench may be the most costly memory lapse of your life. So, make wearing glasses a habit. The more you wear them, the more you need them. And the easier it will be to remember to put them on. To sum it up, I can't think of any excuse or valid reason for anyone not wanting to protect their eyes. They are priceless. So, protect yourself. Wear your glasses.